Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart and ClickUp. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open your web browser and sign into your ClickUp account. Once you're in order to add a Gantt view, select any space list or folder and click on the plus view button at the top of the screen. Now select Count from the list below. Mark it as a personal view or not. You can also choose to pin the view for quick access. Now click on Add View. Now as soon as you do that, hover over to the level which you wish to expand to reveal the icon to the left of item. Clicking that icon will expand or collapse all levels underneath down to task or subtask. If a task or subtask is not displayed, it's likely unscheduled, done, or completed task shows on the Gantt view. By default, you can hide any status using filters. That is how you can add a Gantt chart on Flickr. I hope you found that video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I send you back with more tutorial episodes. Bye till then.